What's up, everybody? I am RealBossKay, and today, y'all, I have a special guest, my friend, Crystal.
Don't laugh at me.
Yeah, she's nervous. Okay, so y'all, we're gonna bear with this one today. Okay, we're gonna bear with this one today, y'all. We have taco, supposed to be Taco Tuesday, but when this video come out, it's gonna be Hump Day Wednesday tacos. And we got empanadas. So we got Birrias and we got empanadas. Hope I'm saying that right. So let's get to eating, y'all. And we're gonna talk her through this video. We're gonna talk her through this video so she won't be so nervous. Cause she wanna do the same thing, y'all. So y'all don't be so mean. Alright. So you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's try this, y'all. Oh my god.
I'm excited.
Okay. I had to go and try this, y'all. I've been seeing too many videos like this, and I was just like, I gotta eat one. If I don't make it, I'm going to somebody's restaurant and going to get it. So, yeah. No, I ain't even do the ramen. Yeah, she got ramen noodles.
And I got ramen noodles.
Yeah, I see ramen noodles in there, boiled egg, I think with the same kind of meat, right?
No, I have chicken.
Oh, my bad. Chicken. This shit is giving all the cooking. Alright.
Mm.
You try that white sauce?
Mm-mm.
It's spicy?
I haven't tried it. I just tried the tacos.
I can't show if it might fall out of my hand. Oh, let me grab. Sorry.
Let's try the sauce. Okay, because these tacos are good.
Right.
And these empanadas.
A year later. These tacos are real good.
Spicy but good.
Mm-hmm. What?
The ramen. We'll try it.
So what everybody been up to? Told y'all I'm gonna have another video coming right back behind the next video, but this ain't gonna be a story time. This just gonna be us eating, trying to get to know us. So if you have any comments, anything to say, drop it down below. Drop it down below, and we gonna top it up, y'all. Ask anything y'all like, especially what she eating. Alright. You are actually good. What this stuff for? What's more hot sauce?
I think that's for the empanadas.
No, this one came in this one. Oh my god.
Taste it.
It smells like a tomato. Taste it. It smells like a tomato sauce.
I love the empanadas.
It's a tomato sauce. It's not bad. It's like the what it is, the dip stuff we put on top of the salsa. Yeah.
Bruh.
That's that. I couldn't remember. Don't smoke that.
It's not that fancy, you know.
Yo, just the empanadas. Look how it look. I like the color of it. Whatever it is. Alright, we're gonna try this with this yogurt stuff. I don't like it. The yogurt stuff. Wait a minute. This
I don't
is
like
good,
the yogurt stuff.
but the yogurt stuff is nasty.
The dressing.
The
The sauce.
We're
It's
gonna call it yogurt. I don't know what water direct, but whatever it was. But you need it with a dressing though. I'm gonna just try this one. Okay. What? Oh, how it feels, man. Oh my god. I think I want this up by accident.
This.
This is hard. Either one, but this is good.
Yeah.
This is my first time trying this thingy, and it's actually pretty good.
First
Thank
time
you.
trying to
She the one that introduced me, even though y'all, let me let y'all know something. She lied to me. She said that she had it before.
She misheard me.
No. It ain't no misheard when it's a text message. I was talking that. She said, oh yeah, I had it and they're so good. Like, the whole message was a lie.
I can't.
It was a both of lie.
But it's real good.
It's good though. It was no surprise to me. It was so good. No. I ain't Spanish. Don't know about you in your background.
No.
Over here, no. But yo, if I was, girl, I'd have these all the time. Other part, I'd have these this side. I have this all the time with the Birrias, but not with so much damn meat. But these
tacos do have a lot of
damn meat. I ain't know they were gonna be so thick.
Right.
I normally eat tacos, but not this much inside of this damn taco.
Even though ramen is so good, but like
it's a lot. And your cup looks thick. How much was it?
Like $12. But like all of this is chicken.
Yeah.
They don't play.
If y'all need something that's all in one and that's like a hearty meal and you can get, through the winter with it, even though it's so hot right now, she eat ramen noodles. Y'all, go around there right there. They ain't Altamont. If you in Florida, go around them. They actually sent a newspaper. She just told me about it. I didn't even know nothing about it, but they was actually pretty good. I get them a 5. If you can go up higher than that, I don't know. But I give them a 5. They're pretty good. They're pretty decent. For my first time trying it anyway, they're pretty decent.
I give them a 4. I've had better. It's really good. I just feel like it's not.
You know what? Maybe because they were 5 years later that was eating.
True
This
that.
late at night. They probably done dried up, sucked up all the oil. Next time we do a video, y'all, we're gonna do it where it's actually early and not so damn late.
Because it's literally
there. Oh my, since are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Shit. Oh my god, y'all mean this damn late, y'all. Don't tell my damn doctor that's my diet doctor. I'm not gonna run.
not run.
Girl, walk. Don't tell nobody.
Oh my goodness. The back of the throat running.
Oh, it's from my god. Juice in it. I ain't that right. Juicy. This right here is so good. Now, when I made it, mine had more damn sauce, seasoning than the damn juice. I don't know what I did wrong, but it wasn't that. But I thought it was supposed to be spicy. This ain't spicy.
I don't think.
I thought it was supposed to be spicy.
This ramen noodle is spicy
What
if you want spicy sauce.
What is it?
But it's spicy.
This is not though. It's not.
So.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
I'm about to throw out the fucking lid. She said it.
Oh my god.
It is really thick. My god.
I think next time I'm gonna get shrimp.
Oh, chicken.
You seen the chicken? It's gonna be the same thing.
Well, shit, the shrimp might be the same. Well, that might be a good thing. Shrimp might also be good. I don't know. But you eat just 2 of these, you will be through. Yeah. I know. Oh my God, we just sitting here eating, y'all. What have y'all day been consistent of today? What's y'all day today? You know, let me know what y'all had going on. Girl, my nose is ready. You know it's kind of spicy. Are you okay? I got it all in my teeth. Y'all don't say nothing. Y'all know how you went to the mirror and be like, I got my teeth. It's all in mine. We should have had some toothpick. These, I think, would be good if they were fresh. Like I said, so it wasn't 10 minutes later. Although they're still really good. Yeah. It was different. Not this, though. I don't know what the hell that was like that. But the lady was nice. The lady I had met, though, inside the restaurant. Oh my God. I'm going to tell you how I went over there and couldn't find the restaurant. Oh my God, yeah, I got lost 3 times.
I was wondering, is it a warehouse?
Oh my God. If y'all looking for the place, make sure y'all call ahead of time to make sure y'all find out where exactly it's at. Because, yo, it was in the cut, in the boondocks. I was like, where the fuck is I'm in? I'm in the wrong place. Did I Google the right spot, girl? I was over the place, like, man, I had to call the place back twice. I'm like, man, where y'all restaurant at? I seen a sign, I said closed. I was like, yeah, I think they're gonna close until my $20. I was mad. I stopped at this Taco Bell. Not Taco Bell. I was like, Taco Bell. I can't get this tonight, and I really wanted this. Yo, I'm finna ride Taco Bell. I'm finna ride someone else. I was like, I ain't finna miss Taco Tuesday. That is sad.
Oh my God.
This is very sad.
Not a Taco Bell though.
Girl.
Watch, Taco Tuesday is gonna have to catch me next week.
I'm gonna call them up and like, can y'all refund my money? I was so aggravated. And then the boy, he kept calling, talking about where you went. We had missed each other going the same damn direction. I said, where the hell you at? So I'm in front of the building. I was like, what? He was like, didn't you tell me to leave? Oh my God, didn't you tell me to stay in front of my building? I was so aggravated at that moment. That's when you came, girl. I was super aggravated. I was just like, really? I gotta do that video. But yeah, I put it together. As you can tell, like always, we put it together, we got it done, and that's that on that. But yo, I don't think I'm ready for this like taco though.
I'm gonna pour me another drink.
I'm not having to start drinking. What is this white stuff on her? You know, I was looking at it all through the online thing. My God.
Did you have to
I like how your arm in the video.
Don't count on you today.
I'm gonna cut it out. Don't worry. I'm gonna cut it out. I gotta edit.
Do you want me to pour your cup? Okay, this one we're gonna have to edit.
I'm gonna edit that part. People be like, oh.
See, don't put me in it. Don't put me in it.
Like, you can get up right now. Like, y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm putting all of this inside my video. This is how we actually really act without editing.
Oh my God.
Like, damn, y'all.
I'm sorry.
It's like, I think my video came out more funner than just me sitting here looking all like, what are we supposed to do next?
Oh my goodness.
All right. Y'all, I am out this video. I'm tired of eating. I'm tired of chewing, and it's too late for me to eat this now. Late for all these goddamn tacos. But yo, catch me on the weekend. I got another video coming out. Me and her, y'all. Me and her. We're doing the Truth and Dare Saturday. So, y'all, Truth and Dare with drinks. We're going to break her out her damn shiny shell, y'all. We're going to bring her up out of that and bring her to my room. So we talk of that and we do it that with her. So, yo, come back and join in. Come come in and talk to me. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so y'all know whenever I post a new video, me and her. Because it's going to be my new friend to come on my channel. So every so often, y'all. And watch out, y'all. She got a channel coming out too, y'all. Her and her kids. I'm going to put it out there. We got to put it to the universe, y'all. So her and her kids gonna have a new channel coming up, so y'all make sure y'all watch out for that. We're gonna be doing this together. So yeah. So
I'm excited.
yeah, y'all see, look, she already excited. Just by coming on here, she here already know, you know, to open some of the boxes. Alright, y'all. I will see y'all this weekend in another video. Don't know what time, and I don't know when I'm putting this video out. So hey, just wait on it. So anyway, I'm RealBossKay.
I'm Kristen.
And we're out this bitch.